To the right, Gino, to the right. Don't move. Come in. See him? See him? Just let him come in. Try not to move. Don't move. They're coming, they're all toms. Shoot the right one if you can. Just wait. Whenever you're ready, Gino. Let's go, dude. Get to it, get to it, get to it. No way. Hold on. Step on its head. Dude. Step on its head. No, keep it on its head. Oh, dude, how much fun is that? How sick is that, dude? His first time turkey hunting.
Fuck that, dude.
Dude, that's wild. There was three times.
Dude, I fucking smoked in the head.
What'd I tell you though? It just happens out of nowhere. That was such good footage too.
I saw them walking from way over here.
I told you. I said, "What? You see how I stopped calling?" And they came on a rope.
They were pissed.
Oh my god, that is awesome. All right, let's check out his beard and stuff.
Here.
Oh my god.
Sit down.
Well, Gino,
Yeah.
come here. All right, hold that gun up. All right, so for everyone watching, this is my brand new gun. I just got it a couple months ago. It's called the C7 REAPER MAGNUM, and it's got a full choke on, and that's what it can do. How was that?
It was sweet.
Wasn't that cool?
It was sweet.
All right, guys, we're gonna get this bird settled in. That's one of the coolest experiences ever.
It's so sick.
He's got a big rope on him, probably an 8-inch beard, maybe inch spurs. Maybe it's pushing it a little bit, but I'll show you guys the setup here. So I have an Avian X turkey, Jake, and then I got the hen, and I have a hen laying down like breeding, and that's the gun that we used. So here's the setup that we had. So we had, like, Gino was tucked in here in this log with that tarp on him, and I was all the way tucked back in here, but it worked out really well. So that's the setup. They came all the way from that corner over there. It's just so easy turkey hunting. Sometimes I scare myself. Don't even have to call, they just come right to you. signing off. First turkey hunt of the year, 1 down. We got 6 more tags. We got Francesco, Mario, then me, my brother, Nino, and then Nino too. So everyone's got a tag, so hopefully we can get them done.
Peace.